Hey guys, it's Joe Twink back with another video, and today I'm just gonna try to 100% Khan Academy. So we're just gonna start with second grade, and we're gonna keep going from there. Okay, level up faster. Take the course on level up. All right, let's do the course challenge. Uh, okay. Okay, what toys are in 322? 322. Huh? Oh, all answers. Never mind. 300 plus 2 tens. Okay, nice. Nice question. What is the 3? Nice. Okay. Counts by tens. What number does she have? This. Yes. Okay. I touch graph. What? Huh? Does it matter? I'll just do match it up. 4. Oh. So there's 2 at 4. There's 1 at 7. There's 1 at 8. Nice. I'm a genius. Okay, next. Alright, I'm not gonna. No. Why was I even thinking I need a calculator for it? It's so simple. It's this. I used the enter key for that one. Okay, next. Use the value place bullets. Oh, frick. No, it's literally. Oh, just literally what adds to 93. Why am I even trying to look at these blocks? Wait, what? Huh? Just please do it in your head. 7, 8. There you go. Look at the following. What time is? Oh crap. What is that? What? What is this going by? 5, 10. No. 25. What? It's going by. What? It's going by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. It's going by 5. I was right. So 12:55. Alright? You then, yeah, we won. Bam. Okay. Match each number to expand it for 6, 9, 3. 6, 9, 8, 6, 9. Funny number. Wait, no. Funny number. 6, 3, 9. Okay. Nice. 2 grams less. Okay. What does the shoot? That's the hundredth. Or is that the what? 100th? Crap. I don't know what. It's the 100th. 100? Can I write 100? 100th. Why can't I spell 100th? 2. What? 100. Holy. It's the 100th place. What's value? Or is it 200? Oh my god, I was trying to spell 100, I'm in dumb. Okay, anyways. Check 2 strategies you can use to add these 2 numbers. That could work. That is wrong. That should. What? Wait, what? Where did you get that? Oh, cause you. Cool. Okay, fill in the blank. Oh, I need to put a number. That would be okay. We're gonna use that strategy we just learned from that. So we move that to 9, and then so 6, 2, 9. Bam. Okay. Use the place bar to help solve. Okay, so this is just what is equal to 8. Oh crap! I did it in my head. So 4 and then 64, right? Because then the yes, it's 4. Okay, some friends with a bow. How many bows did Tristan make? Reading a graph, that's 11. Right? Yes. Cool. Subtract. Okay, quick math. 15 more. We're halfway there. Halfway mark. Fill the blank account like hundreds. So 6, 206, 406, 506. Bam. Pro. Okay. First grade classroom has 31 students. Second grade class has 16 students. Third grade students, fourth grade. It's math in my head. Okay. So that would be 30. 61. And then 87. Yeah. Add those 30, 61, and then 87. Nice. 13 more. How is rectangle by halves, fours, thirds? Okay, solve. What? Why are you making this look like a freaking algebra problem when it's second grade? Okay, 3. Huh, what am I putting there? Oh, it's gonna be 40. I'm assuming this is 10. What? What is this? Huh? 0? X? What? X? Do I put X there? What? What do I do? What do I do? 3 plus... Why are you solving like this? This is just mental math at this point. This is harder. This looks harder than actually just doing the math. What? X? Is it... I don't want to get this wrong. 3. So is this supposed to be 7? And then this is 7? Could you split it? I think? What is it? What is this supposed to be? You break it? Why? Why? Which one has 8 angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles. Okay, nice. Nice. 10 more. 2/3 of the way done. You got 832 plus 7, 9, 39. Bam! Which 1 centimeter or 1 paper clip? 1 paper clip is obviously longer. Just right there. Nice. Okay. Dan bought 36 and 49 to this friend bought 5 more cupcakes. How many? Wait. Okay, so that would be about 5 more cupcakes. That means if you add 5 to that, you can just say make it easier. My head, that would be 41. Then you can 50, so 90 in total. Nice. The line has 1 length. Look at the block tower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Yeah, 4. So 4 centimeters. Bam. 6 more, almost done. Enter the hundreds would be 0. Tens would be 40. Wait, 1 digit. 8. Damn, perfect. Nice. Compare using 31 is 43 is greater than. Nice. Kind of by 5, so that means it'll be 475. 485. 495. 500. Yep. Nice. Okay, which bow is worth $20? The one that has 20 on it. Penguins. Oh no. I don't know if they're all gonna... There's probably more that died, I'm just saying. So that means 2 penguins. Olaf found 1, 2, 4, 6 penguins, right? Yes. 4. And then 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 8. 8 penguins, right? Yeah, you found 6 and then, yeah. Nice. Okay, one more done. Last question, then we finish second grade. this, this. What? 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 Oh my god, I'm an idiot. That's, oh my god. No, don't cancel me now. Don't cancel me. Don't cancel me, please. No. It's over. No. No. No! I ruined it. I ruined it. I should have been 22 and I ruined it. I ruined it. Let's do my shapes, apparently. I don't know my shapes, apparently. Just do my shapes for the rest of the video. I don't know my shapes. I almost pressed the wrong answer. Oh my god. You literally gave me the same question twice. What do you mean? Because you can also say it's a rectangle. Shut up. What? Oh my, it's a quad. I'm not paying attention. Okay, this is all of them. So, this is a quad. This is a square. No. Yeah, it's just a quad. Yes. Okay, okay. This is a... Is it a quad? Yeah. Like, I don't know. It has 4 sides, but it's not straight. But I think you can classify it as... If not, maybe? Okay, okay, no, it's not a lever. Okay, you can classify... triangle. Okay, trapezoid. Oh my, I'm an idiot! I actually don't know my shapes! I should be getting 100 this thing. What shape is 5 sides? Pentagon. How many faces? You have 6. Which shape is that? How many sides? See? Perfect on that! Does the image just make me dumb? Okay, I boot that. Let's do that. Let's do this. Ready to practice. How many angles does a triangle have? 3. What is it? 5 angles. Which is 4 angles. How many does a trapezoid have? Why am I hesitating on trapezoids? See, that's perfect! Then what am I doing wrong? We do identify shapes. Apparently I got it wrong in the test, so it's probably... Which is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Rhombuses. Is this... Or is this gonna... This a square is like everything. Every shape, man. Which is a quad. This, not that. This. I think that's for sure. That's kind of obvious. That's a rectangle. Which shapes are rectangles? Why? Which are trapezoids? No. It's not trapezoid, is it? Maybe. Okay, yeah, it was right. I got 7 out of 7. I thought I got it wrong. Alright, well, let's see. How's this shapes? Ready to practice? How do we classify the following shapes? Quadrilateral. It's a trapezoid. Okay. Alright. Square. It's square can also be a rectangle. Quad, rectangle. Quad, rhombus. It's always a square. It's always a square. What the hell? None? Then, what do you mean? What? What? There's none above. You didn't shut it. Khan Academy is actually a bro moment. Quad, square, rhombus. It's not a square now? Now it's not a square. No. No, that's it. We'll continue this next time, guys. We will 100% Khan Academy. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.